Welcome back, little readers. Let's dive right into our Digraph Rap. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. So, again, what are digraphs? 2 letters, 1 sound. Say it with me. 2 letters, 1 sound. Good. Now, our digraph for this week is E and E. Together, they sound like E. 2 S, E and E is E. Right. And let's sing the E song.
See the donkey in its stall. E-O, is it cool?
Now let's look at some words with the E digraph in them. I'll do the actions. We'll both sound out the letters with the help of the sound dots, and we'll read the word. Ready? Word number 1. E. E. What is it? You're right. C. Now, let's try another one. E. E. Good job. B. Next is E. O. E. O. What is it? It's eel. Eel. Next we have R. E. R. E. What is it? Tree. Tree. Okay. And then let's have one longer word. O. E. O. E. You're right, it's sleep. Sleep. Well done. It's solo work time, meaning to say you work on your own, but I will help you with the actions, and the sound dots will help you put them together. Ready? Word number 1. Again. What is it? Peep. Word number 2 is Did you get it? Green. Green. Good. Next is word number 3. Again. Do it. Sweet. Sweet. Good job. Next, we have again. Read it. It's greet. Greet. Now, we have a longer one, okay? Here it is. Reminds you of Elsa. Freeze. Freeze. Okay, now one more. Did you get it? Sneeze. Sneeze. Well done. So many E words today, and you've mastered it. Very good. Okay, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Okay, and I'll see you in the next digraph. Bye.